I'm sitting here under a magnolia tree to create this practice for you to ground yourself and find yourself back in your body, to clear your mind and find a moment of inner peace. You can use this practice whenever you're feeling a little bit less than balanced, just off kilter, or like you can't quite place yourself. You can keep your eyes open or closed. I like to keep my eyes closed and find a comfortable place to sit. Just give yourself a moment to settle. Make any adjustments for your comfort. You can start by noticing gravity, the effect that gravity has on your body. And even if you just say the word gravity in your mind, you might notice that your bones and your body respond just a little bit. Gravity. And this might feel heavy to you, or it might feel relaxing and like it settles you in some way. Either way, you can notice also how the chair or the bed below you, how it rises up to meet you and supports you in some way. Notice the place where your body meets, whatever you're sitting on, the places that you're touching that surface, the pressure there. Maybe there's some heat. Whatever you're sitting on, notice that surface. Maybe some parts of your body feel a little bit heavier than others. Just let yourself sink into this surface below you, and also, importantly, to be supported by what's underneath you. Starting to work with your relationship to gravity. Some parts of you might be able to feel that support underneath you, and other parts might not be so sure. And that's perfectly okay. And throughout this practice, you might hear the sound of my voice and then drift off a little bit and go on your own journey. And that's perfectly okay too. For now, you can start to notice the sounds around you. Maybe you notice the sound of my voice or the sound of birds around me here in this place, under this tree. Maybe there are sounds in your space that you can start to become aware of. And as you think about kind of opening your ears up to receive these sounds, even though your eyes might be closed, you can sense where the sounds are coming from. Are they arriving in your left ear or your right ear? Are the sounds coming from behind you or above you? And just helping your brain and body start to get a sense of where you are in space. And just taking a couple breaths. No need to try here. Just allowing your awareness to move naturally. And if you miss something, that's okay. Start to bring your awareness into the center of your head behind your eyes, sitting in this place behind your eyes, kind of in the middle of your brain. And if you imagine that this is where your awareness pivots from, almost like there's a little spotlight inside your head. And when the spotlight pivots to the right, your awareness starts to pivot to the right, even though your eyes are closed. And this spotlight pivots to the right, and you notice what's to the right of you in this space that you're in. Is there a wall there? And if so, how far is your body from this wall? Just starting to locate your body in relationship to whatever is on your right hand side. And then you can pivot your awareness back to the front. Even though your eyes are closed, you can see into, you likely know this space that you're in. What's in front of you here? Is it a window or a door? How far away from the wall are you? Locating your body. Just using your awareness, your spidey senses to feel into what's in front of you. And then pivoting this spotlight of your awareness to the left. What is to the left of you? Notice where your body is in relationship to whatever is to the left of you. Maybe there's furniture or a tree or a wall. How far are you from that? And then pivot your awareness all the way around to the back. How far is your body from the wall behind you? What else is behind you? Locating your body in this room that you're in. And then also bring your awareness to what's above you. Is there a ceiling or is it the sky? Does it feel more expansive above you, or is there a sense of being more contained? And then finally, return your awareness back to what's underneath you, whether it's just the earth or your bed or a chair. Notice the pressure of the places where your body meets that surface. Locate yourself in space. And you can also start to expand your awareness out beyond this room that you're in, beyond the spot that you're sitting. Notice the larger building that you're in, kind of like you're zooming out and seeing yourself from afar. Where are you located? What city are you in? Is there an ocean nearby? And if so, where is it in relationship to you right now? See if you can place yourself in relationship to the ocean. And just taking a deep breath. And as you bring your awareness back down into this room, into the chair that you're sitting in, you can check into the length of your spine. Start at the top of your head and notice the top of your head, and then be aware of your tailbone and notice this dimension of length from head to tail. And there's no need to try to straighten or lengthen or change anything here. You're just noticing yourself as you are. Just breathing into the length of your spine and bringing your awareness into the dimension of width. You can check from shoulder to shoulder and hip to hip, almost like you're drawing a line from one shoulder to the other and one hip to the other. From the front of your chest to your upper back, the depth of your body, maybe through your belly, noticing this dimension of depth. And then finally, you can notice all of these dimensions at once. The length of your spine, the width of your shoulders and hips, the depth through your chest and belly. And it's possible that this brings you into an awareness of the edges of your skin, of your body boundary, where your body meets the world. And here's where your clothing might be touching you. Check into the texture of your clothing on your skin. And as you use your awareness in this way, locating yourself in space, locating your edges, you're giving your brain essential information about your relationship to the earth, about whether the ground underneath you is solid and whether your body can relax in being held by something solid. You're giving your brain information about the position of your body. And just notice what it's like to be here, right where you are. And even though there may be aches and pains and worries in your world, just notice in this moment that you have located yourself in space. You have given your brain evidence of your stability, evidence of your support. You now have precise GPS locations for your center. And as you open your eyes over the next minute or so and start to look around where you are, keep a soft gaze, softening your gaze so that your peripheral vision takes in as much information about your environment as possible. And check in with yourself to see if there are any subtle shifts in your sense of groundedness. I hope that this practice serves you. It's so simple, but it is one of the most profound shifts that I have personally experienced in my embodiment journey to locate myself in space, to let my body settle into a sense of support. And my hope for you is that you can deepen into this sense of groundedness, layer this into your life to notice these cues so that you can move from a place that feels centered and true for you. This practice is now complete. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.